It's Wealth Up Tuesday. My bad, y'all, for being a little late, tardy to the party today. But I know y'all excited, just like me, to get it popping, right? On this Financially Lit Tuesday. So today I will be talking about really what to expect on next this weekend, Saturday's Wealth Up event. So I got together three amazing business owners. I mean, these women right here own multiple businesses. All of them own multiple businesses. Oops. All of them own multiple businesses. So they're really going to drop some amazing insight on what to expect, things that we should be doing. Um, you know, and I'll be giving the financial side of the business, but that's what I'm basically gonna be talking about today, and also give some financial tips, of course, per usual, so that we could continue to wealth up. Right? Give me 1 minute, y'all, because I'm gonna get this popping on the Instagram per usual. You know what it is. And let y'all tune in. It's so exciting to be on here. Um, hmm. Oh, there we go. Alrighty. Um, I am looking. Okay. All right. Cool. 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 All right. I had to make sure I left my. I gotta leave my blue light blockers on today, y'all, because baby, looking at these screens all day be hurting my eyes. I gotta protect my eyes. So today I will be talking about on this Financially Lit Tuesday about what to expect from the workshop coming on this Saturday. So this live won't be too long. I just want to give a nice rundown because today we are running that 25% off promotion. So if you haven't already, or if you know any business owners or people looking to start up a business, this would be an amazing workshop to go ahead and get plugged into. So if you haven't already seen the flyer, definitely check it out on the Grandma Financial page, and it will kind of give you a rundown of the event, the speakers at the event, who they are. So I'll give a little brief background today, right now, on who the speakers are, what to kind of expect, all that good stuff about this event on Saturday. So the event is from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. You're asking like, oh my gosh, like, why is it so long, right? Because we are going over a lot of information. Like, people, you're going to be leaving this event with a wealth of knowledge because we really want to make sure that you're prepared when you're walking into the world of business. Walking into the world of business is already, or being in the world of business is already like stressful, and you're constantly learning, constantly shifting and changing and trying to figure out, reinvent the company, innovate the company, whatever the case may be. But kind of also making sure that we mitigate these things, like as far as the financial side of it, the marketing, whatever that we can add to the table, right? So for starters, I on the list is myself, of course. So of course, I'm the owner of Grandma Financial, and I study accounting and finance for what, 7, 8 years. I've been in the field for a little over 10 years now. I've been doing tax preparation for a little over 10 years as well. And so I'm very knowledgeable about the field, and I'm super excited to bring that to the table on Saturday. So on Saturday, what I will mainly be going over is the financial side of the business. Also the legalities as far as your business formation. What structure should you be looking at with your entity? What is the difference, breaking it down, because a lot of times when you jump into this and you're like, okay, I'm ready to open a business, where can I start? Hey, Matt, where do I start? Right? So, really making sure that you understand the entity types, you understand the taxation behind it, and which one suits your business needs. Like what your business, what you want your business to be doing. What do you want it to accomplish? What does it look like years from now, so that you can make sure that you're choosing the right entity type. So I'll be going over that. I'll be going over bookkeeping, the basics of bookkeeping and managing your own books, right? I always tell my startup clients, hey, of course I would love you to hire on GrandRev Financial. I would love you to say, here, GrandRev, take care of our books for us, baby. Like, I would absolutely love it. But when you're starting off, I do want to make sure that my clients are keeping their costs down, because you already have the cost of starting up your business. So making sure that you're keeping your costs down and utilizing whatever tools that you can to do so. So on Saturday, I'll be teaching you how the basics of managing your own books. So that you can, so you can be able to draw those statements at the end of the month to know what the heck your business is doing, what your business look like, so that you can properly scale to the next level, right? Because that's the end haul, that's the end game, being able to have your company large enough to so that you don't have to feel like you're working, so that you can remove yourself from the entity and it just continues to produce fruit, right? So, making sure that I go over the bookkeeping behind it, financial statements. What are the financial statements? There is more financial statements than just a profit and loss. And if you don't know what a profit and loss is, that's okay. We'll go over it on Saturday. We'll be going over balance statements, income statements, statement of cash flows, the whole shebang, right? Like, what are these things and why do they benefit me? Why do I need to have them? So really making sure that we touch on those things during Saturday's workshop. Also making sure that we touch on internal controls. A lot of times when we're building these companies, we don't even think about internal controls and how important it is, right? Yeah, I know I'll be thirsty. I'll be having to bring my water because I get dehydrated real fast, especially when I be talking. So yes, um, yeah, back at it. So, what to expect? What kind of financial statements? Internal controls. What are the parameters outside of internal controls that have to do with internal controls? As you may know or may not know, I'm in the process of obtaining my CPA. And a lot of it has to do with making sure that we know what internal controls are, how do they come together, what needs to be put in place so that the company is successful. So we're going to be going over the basics of that, because internal controls alone is like basically the entire operations, right? So we're going to go over a little bit of the taxes, tax benefits for employers. Oh my gosh. If you don't know now, and I say it in my lives all the time, tax benefits are for the employers, business owners, not employees, because they're stuck paying the majority of the taxes. Okay? We got to get out of the habit of like giving our money away. Let's stop giving our money away, y'all. Okay? So, really making sure what tax benefits can I take advantage of as a business owner? How can I become a business owner? That is the basis of this workshop on Saturday. If I'm a business owner already, what do I need to be doing so that I can increase profits, decrease expenses, and scale to the next level? And if I'm not a business owner, how can I open my business on a solid foundation, right? So that was a lot, but of course I'll be doing the majority of the speaking on Saturday's event. But we also have awesome speakers like Autumn Redding. She is a business consultant with ADQM Solutions. Also has One Bridge Connect, which is a new venture of hers, relatively new. Just started early this year in the midst of the pandemic. She launched, her and her business partner launched a new business, and it's flourishing, absolutely amazing. And actually, one of the malls here in Jacksonville, Florida, Regency Mall. And just to see the how the structure of the business, how it's like they came together and put it together, and now on a very tight budget as well. So how can we do that? How can we remove or we get our business to the next level and scale it to the next level and do it on a smaller budget? Because if we're coming from money, and this comes from like the power of broke, y'all. Of course, per usual, y'all. If y'all have any questions, let me know. I need to put this up a little bit so I can see any Instagram shoot, comments. So, hello, Black Pac and Javon Ivory. Hello, hello. Um, so Autumn Redding. So she launched that business. She also has ADQM Solutions, which she's also scaling as well, adding in new employees, like doing amazing. And she also does it while having a 9 to 5. So how is she able to manage those two businesses, scale those two businesses while holding a 9 to 5 job? So we're going to be hearing from her on Saturday as well. We're going to be hearing from Tyresha Moore from Teapot Naturals. You may heard of her as far as that goes. Teapot Naturals is expanding into many brands. On the flyer, if you've seen it, you saw Teapot Naturals brands, because Teapot Naturals is not just the cafe. Now, you have the herbal side, you have the teas, you have the international aspect as far as the Haiti venture that she just started. So really being able to see how she was able to use the opportunity in Haiti to grow her business, right? So we're going to be hearing from Tyresha Moore on that aspect, how to scale your business, how to work on little to nothing, and why it's important to have these different parameters set up in your business, because this is crucial, right? Another person we're going to be hearing from is Michelle Kennedy. So, Michelle is a master life coach. Miss Get You Together herself. Amazing woman, just a bundle of joy. She is going to be talking about that work, business, work, life balance, and really making sure that you're taking care of yourself in all aspects. Because a lot of times we get into business and we're working those endless hours through the night. We're pushing, we're getting our business off the ground, and we forget to take care of ourselves, right? So, how do we find that balance? What things, like, how do we get our mental right so that we can make sure that we're wealthing up? Because a big part of wealthing up is making sure that your mental is clear, you have mental clarity. Like, it's necessary. It's absolutely necessary to get there. So Michelle's gonna really be making sure that she gives the guidelines, parameters as far as what we need to know, so that we keep our mental clarity, so we can actually move our business to the next level. So all in all, everyone that attends the workshop on Saturday will really leave there with step-by-step instructions on what they need to do in their business. We're literally going to be talking to each individual on the call, answering any questions. We're going to be, and it's not live stream or anything, but um, we will be uh, it will be webinar, and so that they can see us as well. So it is virtual to allow, no matter where you are, you can go ahead and tune in. You don't have to drive to another location. We will have wealth of events in person in the future at One Bridge and at the Regency Mall. But for now, we are going to do the virtual route, and we're going to keep the virtual route going as well, and offer the in-house ones to an exclusive audience, because we can't have a huge room full of people, right? Um, I believe I went over everything. So that is what to be expected. So today and today only, the tickets are for $45. At the rest of the week, the tickets will be $60. It is a 1 day sale. So after today, that offer will come off the table. And then, of course, next week, we'll be doing the business credit webinar workshop. So that'll be a huge workshop as well. And like I said, this workshop, I mean, even at the $60, it's really a huge value. Just to sit with me alone for an hour, it's $120, right? And I'm on the call for 4 hours. sitting, coaching. We got three other coaches on the call as well, on the webinar as well, that's going to be spilling like heavy knowledge. So really being able to take advantage of it is big. But yes, make sure that you come with any questions that you have. Definitely make sure that you're sharing the flyer, um, that you're inviting any other business owners, any people that are looking to launch a business. Definitely make sure that they hop on board because this is going to be big. And as far as an all-inclusive workshop like this, I probably won't do one like this again, where I'm going over so much different aspects of the business in one call. So the other workshops will be split up, will be more niche down as far as what we're going to be covering. But this, I did want to make sure everybody, we have the foundation. We're going to be going over so much. I'm definitely excited for Saturday. And yeah, let me see if I have any questions. Any questions, y'all? So definitely get your tickets. It's only $45 today, like I said. Really undervalued as far as like what you are receiving on Saturday. I mean, Saturday is just going to be so much information, so much gold that's going to be provided on the call. Step by step instructions on how to launch your business, how to manage your business properly, and get it to that next step, get it to that next level. Um, but yeah, y'all. I didn't want to make this one too long. Next week we'll be going over that business credit webinar that's going to be happening next Saturday with Brianna Belazaire. That one's going to be big as well. And yeah, any questions, y'all? Make sure. Oh, thank you, Autumn. The info we'll be providing will be so valuable. Absolutely, Autumn. Absolutely, it really will. I'm definitely excited for it. Yes, Autumn's going to be dropping knowledge. She's going to be talking about marketing as well, different aspects of marketing and how, um, what things that we need to do in our businesses, different platforms that we can use to help better market our business. Well, like Tyresha, again, she's going to go over, scaling your business, that the making the different departments of in one business as far as like making those separate streams within one business. She's going to be going over that. Michelle with that getting your mental right. I mean, this is big. This is definitely huge, and there's just so much great information that's going to be on the webinar on Saturday. So make sure that you're sharing the flyer, share with your friends, family, anyone that's looking to launch a business or that has one. Um, but yeah, y'all, let's wealth up. Make sure. Hey, Tamara. Hello, 480 Jordan. These are Instagram names. And yeah, that's it for us today, y'all. See y'all on Saturday. And until then, if you do have any questions or anything, of course, you can always go to grandrepfinancial.com, book your free consultation. You can speak to me or any other of our agents. We are hiring a new agent for the new tax season. So if you know anyone that's interested in the becoming an agent with Grand Rep Financial in the upcoming tax season, definitely refer them our way. We are getting started in just a few days on October 15th with our new agents and going ahead and starting the training and all that good stuff. So, yes, that's it, y'all. Have a great rest of your day. Turn out, wealth up. Let's get it.